Hi, I'm an old guy and I do maths, and today we're looking at another smoothing technique, one you don't see all that often, moving medians, and we're going to use three medians. And so what will happen is I will just work my way across this data set, which I haven't bothered to number, and you'll see why I haven't bothered to do that. In a moment. It's unnecessary. Of course, you will be dealing with graphs where things are probably numbered, but in order to see how this works, it's not essential that you do that. What we do need to state is that that is y and that is x, because we are going to be finding the median of each for each of the little sets of data that we're going to be examining. And so let's get going. So the first set of data in this complete set that we're going to examine is this set here. And what we're going to do in order, we're going to place these in order in the along the x-axis, and that's really easy because it is this one here, that one there, and then we move up the y-axis and we do the same. 1, 2, 3, that's the order of them. And so this point here, which I'm going to circle, is our first moving median. Now we move across one and we start here with these three pieces of data. And this is the middle piece of data working from here across the x-axis. And I'm just going to put a line down there to indicate that. Now moving up along the y-axis, the first piece of data in this three data set is this. The second is this, and the third is this. So our median value is here in space, but it is here. And so in the first case, what we had was, because these are quite clearly in order going along the x-axis and up the y-axis, this was our median point. This set of data is a little bit more dispersed, shall we say, jagged, perhaps, if you want to look at it that way. Going across the x-axis, this is definitely the midpoint, 1, 2, 3. Going up the y-axis, it's 1, 2, 3. So we find our median point there. Now, we're going to start with this and go across the x-axis again. And again, that's fairly straightforward. 1, 2, 3. This is our point. Moving up the y-axis, 1, 2, 3. This is our point. So we're looking at a point approximately here. And what you're beginning to notice is that these three medians have really flattened out. These have really flattened out our data. Okay, let's keep going. So we have this one, we have this one, and we have this one. Now, we start here, 1, 2, 3 across the x-axis. So this is our point. We then go up the y-axis, and what we have is this is first, this is a very close second, and this is third. So our point is in here. It comes off this one. 1, 2, 3. It may be difficult to see this on the video, but this is lower than that. And so if I join these up, even now, you can see that our three medians line is much, much flatter than the original data. Okay, so we've gone 1, 2, 3. We'll start here now and go 1, 2, 3. This is our point here. Moving up the y-axis, 1, 2, 3. So our point is here. We'll join that up. And we just keep moving. just keep moving to the right. Where are we? 1, 2, 3. So this is our midpoint here. Again, moving up the y-axis, 1, 2, 3. This is our value, and so forth and so on. I think you can see how this is going. I don't want this to turn into something boring. Now, what I am going to do is I'm going to try and let me find a pen to do this with. I'm going to draw in the original line in black. And we have the new line in blue. I hope you can see that there. And what you can see, I hope, is that the original line, which is black, is very, very jagged. If we join up the data points, it's a very, very jagged line. And this is considerably smoother. If we had gone out to 5 moving medians, it would have been even smoother. But that's the basic technique. You sort out the correct order moving across the x-axis and up the y-axis, and you mark each, and the point at which they meet, you can use lines. The point at which they meet is your median, and that is the point for your moving median line. I hope this was useful. As I say, you don't see it too often, but I thought it worth including. If you found it useful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.